Fishy yet?
Right here. There's orange fishy.
There's an orange fishy.
There's orange fishy.
What do you tell the fishy?
Here, fishy, fishy. Come here, fishy. Hi.
Yeah. Where's the other orange fishy?
There's an orange fishy.
That's the orange fishy? Do fish face. There's fish face. Let's see. Look at the camera and do fish face. Fishy face, fishy face. We gonna see if we find more colorful fishies?
No, this is... Oh.
What color is those fishies? What color are those fishies?
See? Oh no, fishy. Stop.
No, fishy's not stuck. Think about all these fishies. You like all these fishies? Say hello, fishy.
Hello, fishy. Uh-oh, wait right here. Hey, fishy. Fishy, stop. Look.
What are we looking at? What color are those fishies? Katie? What color are those fishies? Orange and what else?
Orange.
No, say yellow.
Yellow. That's right.
Do you like the fishies?
Come here, Piggy. Come here. Come here, Piggy. Come here. Come here, Piggy. Come here, Piggy.
Our adventures at Petco with the fishies.
Oh, fishy. Fishy. Fishy.
Tell the fishies, say bye-bye, fishies.
Bye-bye, fishy.
We'll see you later.
I'll see you later, fishy. You're going.
What's that fishy doing?
Wiggling his tail.
Wiggling his tail. Can you wiggle your tail?
No.
No. You can't have a tail? Okay.